Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 28th of August 2024. So gold hits record high, Bitcoin battered as NVIDIA earnings loom. That one will be an interesting one. And the subhead there, all the gold you can eat. And as far as stocks were concerned, they were mixed on Tuesday with clear underperformance in the small cap Russell 2000. So news today, what have we got? FOMC member Waller is going to be speaking. Well, he's already spoken actually, or speaking as I record. And crude oil inventories are the only other one as far as high or medium impact news items are concerned. And that's at 3:30 p.m. Okay, let's have a look at this mixed reaction yesterday. It's sort of the penultimate week of the school holes, so it's always a bit of a mixed one, a bit like the start of the summer holes as well, both here in America. And I think next week it may be a holiday as well for the US. I'll have a look and confirm in tomorrow's alert. Okay, let's have a look at the markets. Kick off with the Dow. So in the Dow, yesterday the market holding above the 5-bar moving average and up on the overnight. Let me just expand this out a bit so you can see a bit more. We've got the all-time high there at 41,429. That needs to be taken out. NVIDIA will do that today if the news is good. So keep an eye on the buy side. Market down in the sort of cash and sort of pre-market there, and then eventually sideways. There's the mixed bit. Market retesting 89% before then moving to the upside, and then as you can see they're heading back. So got a bit of a W shape in there for yesterday. We had the V shape followed by another V shape, giving that W correction. High of yesterday needs to be taken out. The averages are in the right order by the looks of things. They are. So yeah, just need to take out the high, and then we're back towards the all-time high for the Dow there at 41,429. In the German DAX, heading towards the all-time high of 18,921. You can see that it's determined to do it. Been no surprise to me if we don't do this by the end of the week. Today is only Wednesday, a couple of 100 points each day, no problem at all. Market trying to take out yesterday's high already, so you can see the buy side is the side to be on. Bit choppy yesterday, as the headline noted there, so we had a break to the downside. We have a 78% retracement. We've got the 50 EMA holding prices along with the 20, and then prices reverse off this, then become sideways, very sideways there, and then a retracement back to here before we pull back to the 50 EMA overnight, and the market above the DP and the close and trying to get towards that high of yesterday. In the S&P 500, this market also heading back to the all-time high, which is at 56.70. We're not far off, consolidating here sideways, ready to break to the upside. And in the 30-minute chart, again, you can see the consolidation breaks down that we had first thing yesterday mid-morning, and then down to the low of Monday. Market brought back, and then again you can see we've got these retracements, and then coming back overnight, sitting on the 200, and then you've got the DP there as well. Market coming off this and trying to get up towards the high of yesterday. In the FT100, despite Starmer's protestations about increasing taxes and everything else, the market ignored it. And you can see there, prices moving higher. We've got a bit of resistance to the left. If we just have a look there, let me just remove this one as we've gone through. There we go. So we're at whatever that number is. Let me just drag it out for you. Yeah, 8404, and we need to take this out to head back to the all-time high again, which is not too far away there. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this one as well. See what it does during today, if it can get back to that 8477.6. Yesterday we started off with all guns blazing. The market then waited for Starmer, or Starzy. Market moving up, taking out the DP on the overnight, finding support at yesterday's close. All the averages moving up nicely though. Just need to get the... No, they're all in the right order actually. We've got the 200 there, the 50, the 20, and the 5 MA there, all moving in the right direction. US dollar finding a bit of ground overnight, starting to trade sideways as well, so expect the metals to start to come under some pressure. Talking of which, let's have a look at silver. So yeah, silver already under pressure, as can be seen there. Couldn't take out Fridays, actually it's Mondays, isn't it? Monday, Tuesday, yeah, and Wednesday overnight then. So Monday's high not taken out, still can't get above this 29.95 or $30. Expect this to be hammered back down from this level. You'll see why in a second. We've already got the selling coming in there and through the low on the overnight. Yesterday was just sideways, and the reason I'm saying this is because gold, according to the headlines, had made a new all-time. They haven't on this particular platform, but it doesn't matter about my platform or anybody else's platform. It's what's on the COMEX, as it was at the CME, and that shows a new all-time high, and that's why the market's selling off. As I said before, when markets make all-time highs, they tend to pull back, and there's a really good pullback there happening. Expect the low to be retested if the 200 MA doesn't hold. It did yesterday. We've only got that move last night, and you can see it's already given that back and more. So a quick push up there. So expect some weakness in this market for the next few days, and moving lower as the market's made that new all-time high and the profit takers come in and force prices lower there. Gold silver ratio, just as I clicked on it there, you saw that starting to move higher as well. So expect this to head back towards 90 for this market as well. Right, let's have a look at yesterday's trades. So the market not doing an awful lot at the start of the session there. You can see we had a sell. It eventually moved down to the scalp, and then the market returned back up, which you'll see in a second. So scalp hit, market then reversing back to the high and stuck with the averages. We had a potential buy signal which wasn't filled. Then we had another short, which you can see how sideways the market is there. The stop was hit before the entry, so the market breaking out above the high and then just becoming sideways. It's very quiet, as you can see there. You can expect more of that today, and prices eventually breaking out there and moving higher. And then into mid-morning, still flirting with the high in the R1 and then back to the R2. And then obviously we've got the early morning Dow futures, which are dictating direction. Market sideways, then into the afternoon. Prices move down again, flirting with the R2. Market puts in a potential buy, but unfortunately it stopped out before the news yesterday afternoon. Market then comes down, retests the 200 MA, and then we get a bit of a bounce off this as the market moves back. It takes a long time though. Look how tiny these bars are, so very quiet during yesterday. Market goes through the scalp, and you've got the resistance to the left just here, where the market then says, right, we'll sell at this point, and you can see the red inside of the green indicating there's some selling around there. The market then just drifts sideways, and then into the early part of the evening, where the market again breaks the 200 MA and then regains and just gets stuck in a range. Really quiet. Overnight prices are sideways there at the moment, so the averages are all in the right order for the market to attack the high of yesterday. Okay, that's it for this one. Let's see what happens during today. Slow news day today, but I'm sure prices will continue to try and attempt to get to those all-time highs, particularly with the release of the NVIDIA numbers later today. Okay, that's it. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.